how to backup everything to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, so make sure insert USB here. After insert USB, click on External Storage Transfer. After click on External Storage Transfer, here showing your USB, click on your USB storage and click on Next. And after click on Next, you will see your backup everything to USB drive is done. After the process, click on Done, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup everything to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.